Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's my first class of the day. I will say hello everyone. My name is Emanasi Nous Qanaah. You can call me Sophie. I will be teaching you English. Let me take attendance first. Please raise your hand when I call your name, okay? Filantropi Nurul Islamiyah, Amira Mizanul Kisti, Salwa Salsabila. Okay, let us learn about narrative text. Well, when we talk about narrative text, it can be separated from a story and past experience, that link to those objects. People usually call it narrative. So, what is narrative text actually? Raise your hands. Next one. Okay, narrative text is text focusing on specific participant and its piece of text which tells a story with complements or problematic events with resolution to solve the problems. Well, we can roughly say that narrative text is like someone with problems or complements which make their condition get even worse, but then those problems will learn them the resolution that can make their condition can better than before. Now you know the definition of narrative text. Let's move on the generic structure. The generic structure for narrative text that all or almost all narrative texts follow. The first one is orientation. It's about the opening paragraph or beginning the story, where the character of the story are introduced. The second part is complement. It is called rising action or the middle of the story, where the problem in the story develops. The third part is resolution, or we call in the ending of the story. It can be happy or sad ending. In this part, the problem is solved, well, hopefully. And the last optional, reorientation or lesson from the story. Next, we have the definition and also generic structure. There is another important thing that we must know related in this kind of text. It is connected to the from language use. What is it? Yeah, that's right. It is language feature. Every kind of text in English has their own language feature as well as narrative text. There are some language features used in narrative text. It uses simple past tense. Simple past tense. Are you know about simple past tense? Yes, I will explanation about narrative text. Next, that narrative text tell us about past experience, which means you must simple past tense, then use figurative language, and also progressive verb. We tell about series of events that why we must use figurative language and also progressive verb, and then time conjunction. There must be connection between those paragraph or sentence, or when, then, when, or then, suddenly, or etc. And also it uses dialogue to express attitudes, personality, and also relationship. function. Function or purpose of narrative text is to tell a story of something or someone from the past event. Well, it is not only that is function also to entertain use the readers and also listeners. Next example of narrative text, I will show you the video. Title is Pinocchio. Happy watching, everyone! After watching the video, please make a group 4 until 5%. I want you to analyze structure in this story. I will give you 50 minutes to finish the activity. Okay? Any question? Okay. Finish. Please, one person from second group come to in the front of class for presentation. Okay, it's time to finish now. You are doing that much better today. I hope you get the material. Have a nice day. Good afternoon all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.